All right, guys, we're gonna try the first start on the W2C here tonight. Float bowl's empty. Let's see if we can pick up some fuel. Oh yeah. I hope the carburetors, I hope the needle and seat hold. They were good last time before it came apart. Come on. That's a lot more pumping than it looks. Man. Starting to firm up.
Should be after
Now it's filling the bowl now. That's it.
Even sounds hard.
Yeah. All right, before we get going here, a little bit of a convoluted system going on here. This is the output from the generator. Here. This here runs over to that surface grinder. That's 3/4 horsepower on that 110. Got our voltmeter set up here and amp meter. Don't have an accurate frequency gauge at the moment. But let's fire it up and see if she'll fire up and go from there. Definitely, she's not maintaining 120 with 1875 watt load on it at the moment. Small water leak here to take care of also. But anyways, she runs, guys. Thanks for all your help.